From the Z Fold to the Z Fold 2 all the way to the Z Fold 4, we've seen Samsung move from mid to high tech with their fold phones. It definitely looks like fold phones will be around for a pretty long time.
Absolutely.
Just like the S and Note series. Well, here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 coming with some new unexpected features to blow off your mind. Design and display. According to their spokesperson John Lucas via email to The Verge, the Flex In and Out display can rotate 360 degrees, meaning it can be folded inward and outward. While there still isn't any sufficient leaks on the design of the Z Fold 5, we can only assume that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 may retain some looks from the previous model, but will come with some boosted stylish outer foldable look.
Wow. That's awesome.
According to some rumors, the Z Fold 5 could be bigger and heavier than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that it is possible this year's flagship will make room for a built-in S Pen, hence the bigger size. Also, is it possible that this year's X Fold 5 could come with a better and bigger battery? We'll find out shortly. Additionally, it is believed that the Fold 5 could have the same display specifications such as a 6.2-inch AMOLED cover display and a 7.6-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Z Fold 5 will have other beneficial features such as IPX8 waterproof rating, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and 5G. Price. It is evident at this point that the Fold 5's price is not available, but considering the recent prices of folding phones, we can assume that this flagship won't come cheap. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 came with a starting price of £1,799/1,649/1,799 for the 256 gigabytes, £2,009/1,769 for the 512 gigabytes, and $2,249/2,019 for the 1 terabyte. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 also came with a starting price of $1,799/1,599 for the 256 gigabytes, and the 512 gigabytes sells at $1,899/1,699. Currently, we can't point out the exact price, but we can only predict the estimated price we expect it to sell at, which could cost £1,799/1,649 Australian dollar, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or more, since it will be revamped and boosted with new features and upgrades.
Those things look really expensive.
Following the expected price, when do you think it will be released? Well, stay with us and let's find out. Features. The new Fold 5 is set to be equipped with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. According to Digital Chat Station on Weibo, next year the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 may have an ultra-high frequency version that is ready to be ashes from the factory. However, there are also other speculations that the Z Fold 5 could also come equipped with an enhanced version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2.
That's cool.
Whichever way it comes, we should be assured of improved performance and power efficiency advantage, since the Snapdragon Gen 2 on record has been known to improve performance. Therefore, an enhanced version won't give less. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is also set to make some changes and enhancements to the camera, but however, some rumors believe that the Fold 5 might just stick with the triple camera array, which includes a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixels telephoto, just like the Fold 4. Further leaks also suggest that the Fold 5 could get a 108 megapixels main camera instead, a 64 megapixels telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, which could even be better than the previous model's camera bump. Battery. As some of the leaks have speculated that the Z Fold 5 could come with a bigger and much heavier design, which could be as a result of a bigger and better battery. Therefore, a 4,400 mAh battery with wireless charging and reverse power sharing capabilities is most likely to be placed in the Fold 5, with wired fast charging of 25 watts and wireless charging limited to 15 watts. Release date. All rumors point out that Samsung has developed a new fold phone with 360 degrees that will most likely be the beginning of the fold phone revolution. According to the Elec, Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 target shipments of 2 million and 8 million units, respectively, are set conservatively compared to the Z Fold and Flip models to be released in the third quarter of this year. However, there is no official date announcement from Samsung as of this moment pertaining to when the Z Fold 5 will be officially released, but be sure to subscribe to this channel and we will be the first to let you know when the Z Fold 5 is released and more. Here, closely following the consistent release schedule for the Galaxy Z Fold flagships, with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold been available in September 2019. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 also been available in September 2020, as well as August 2021 and August 2022 for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and 4 respectively. We expect that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will either be available in August or September 2023. While the Z Fold 4 remains a top-tier foldable phone, we hope that the Fold 5 comes bigger and better with new upgrades. Well, if you want a foldable phone right now, you should definitely go ahead and get yourself the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But if you are ready to wait for the new Z Fold 5, then you can check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra in this video. Maybe you can also add it to your collection this year. Thanks for watching.